What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw black from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center of our page. We'll start over on the left side. We'll draw a straight angled line going up and then out. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Now I want to curl up the inside of the brow. Starting on the left, bend this in and then up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half oval. Coming all the way down towards the bottom of the eye. And just bend that up underneath the brow. Now I'm going to push the pupils towards the inside of the eye. So we'll start on the top left, draw a thin oval. Coming down and then up. Line this up on the right side, and then we'll fill the inside of the pupils. Now I'm going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth, just underneath the left eye. I'm just going to curve this up in between the eyes, and then bend that back down on the right. Now let's step down and trace that same curve, going up and then down. Just going to curve the mouth going out and then up towards the side. Let's add in the top row of teeth. Starting from the center, we're going to come down toward the left, and then back up toward the top. Do the same thing on the right. Now we want to add a couple more teeth on either side. Now we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of the mouth and lay the tongue on top. Let's start back over on the left. Just going to curve the mouth coming in and then down. And then we'll bend this in toward the center of our page. Now I'm going to lay the tongue on top. Just going to bend this around and then down. And then curl this out towards the end of the tongue. Let's go back to the center, step over towards the left. We're going to draw the top of the tongue going up, then down towards the side. And we'll just taper this down towards the tip. Let's draw the right side of the mouth, coming in and then down in behind the tongue. I'm going to add two curved teeth along the bottom, just going around the tongue and in. And then this out and back down towards the side. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now from here we're going to trace the mouth along the outside. Let's start underneath the left eye, curve this out, go around the corner of the mouth, and then pull that in. Now curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down and across underneath the tongue. Continue up on the right side. Let's go back up to the top and draw the side of the head. We'll start on top of the left cheek. Bend this around the eye, and then pull that in. Let's add in the ears. Starting from the top, curve this down, and then out towards the side. And we'll bend this down and then back in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to leave a gap on the side of the head and just round out the top. So we're going to step up and in. Curve the head going up, go across, and then bring that down. Let's add the base of the horns. From this line, we're going to step up, curve this around, and just tuck that in behind the ear. Now I'm going to place the horn in behind that base. Starting from the top, bend this out, and then up. And then from the top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the horn, and then bend that back in. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw an oval for the body. We start on the left side, just underneath the lip, go all the way around towards the bottom of the oval, and bend that back up underneath the tongue on the right. Let's add a seam across the chest. On the left, bend this up and then down. From the bottom of our oval, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And then we'll leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel, go to the right, go out and down towards the same height. Let's add 3 toes on either side. Start from the heel, come down, and then up. Now I want to round out the toe and just pull that in. Let's layer 2 more toes in behind. We're going to start from the tip, going out, and then hooking that in. Now I'm going to add 1 more toe. From the tip, go out, pull this in, and then bend this down towards the heel. Now I'm going to go back to the side of the body and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left. Curve this out, and then bend that down on top of the foot. Now we're going to draw the inside of the arms. From the top of the leg, let's step up, curve the arm going out, and then bring that down towards the thumb. Line this up on the right side. Let's add in the thumb. From the wrist, curve this in, and bend that out. Now from the top, I'm just going to round out the claw, come around, and just pull that down towards the tip of the claw. Let's add 2 more claws on either side. Starting from the side of the thumb, bend this out, and then down. Now from the tip, we're going to go all the way up, round out the inside, and then bring that back down. Let's add the second claw. Starting from the side, bend this out and then down. Go all the way up toward the top, round this out, and then tuck that in towards the side. Now from the top of the last claw, I'm just going to curve the arm going up and just bend that in towards the shoulder. And then we'll go back to the left side, round out the shoulder going up and then in behind the head. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw black from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.